Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Company or Corporation. A SPAC is a blank check. Now, what do you mean by blank check? So let's say you're a sponsor and you want to bring a company public. You can raise money from the public, registering those shares with the Securities and Exchange Commission and listing that SPAC. And what they're used for is for a specialist to go and buy a company that maybe they want to go public, but they want to go public the traditional route. The money's already raised in the IPO of the SPAC. So let's cover this. A SPAC goes public, it raises, say, $100 million. That $100 million is ready to buy a private company that maybe needs that $100 million, wants to go public, and can avoid some of the drama of being involved with that by that SPAC acquiring that company. The $100 million is already in the bank, and the company effectively is public. The SPAC changes its name. Like a reverse merger, these SPACs are registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the sponsors have a certain amount of time before they have to make an acquisition or give the money back. Now, as a side note, when you buy a SPAC, the SPAC sponsors have to put that money into an escrow, and they're not allowed to use that money until they get shareholder permission to acquire that company and the transaction closes. SPAC sponsors have to put up the money to cover the operating cost, commissions, etc., but they get big upside. The sponsors get a cut of that SPAC when it buys a company, so it can be very lucrative for the sponsor. Recently, Bill Ackman did the biggest SPAC in history, around $4 billion. Today's word is SPAC, or Special Acquisition Company. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.